and welcome back to Real Estate Zealot TV. This is the second half of our show. And today we're going to just cover and do a brief review of some of our past topics and then some other announcements I think that are important to our real estate business. Once again, want to remind everyone we've had great participation so far. RE Bar Camp Denver is May 22nd. So you might want to get your calendars out. May 22nd. It's an all-day event, 8 to 5. It's going to be held over at 7100 East Bellevue. That's basically an MLS or Metroless building there. And to register, you need to go to, just like the domain name says there, rebarcamp.com/Denver. I think they have close to already 300 participants. This could very well be the largest RE Bar Camp ever held. So that's what we're shooting for. We'd like to be known in Denver to take something like this and take it to the next level. So I think you'll be really excited by the information that's at the RE Bar Camp. And I believe we've already got probably 40 of our couple hundred folks that have already registered for this. So rebarcamp.com/Denver, go for it. Next is Realtor Rally. The Realtor Rally is April 9th, so that's right around the corner. Less than a week away. It's at the Colorado Convention Center. I recommend, if you can, try to take light rail. This is one of those cases where parking downtown, the last time we had something down at the convention center, there was something else running. There was no parking anywhere. You might want to consider taking light rail. It drops you right off at the convention center there. It's also free if you're a Denver board member. You'll have free access for all members of the Denver Association of Realtors. Lots of education there. If you haven't signed up for already, some of the classes are already full. Lots of speakers are going to be there, and of course the exhibit hall is open most of the day. If you'd like to get some more information, just go to realtorrally.org. realtorrally.org. I think, once again, great learning event, more education, and you can't immerse yourself in enough training and enough education now. Between RE Bar Camp and Realtor Rally, some really great events to attend. I'd like to see all of our members there. Another thing I wanted to touch base with you, we went over some of the tax benefits of the 2009 tax credit. Well, something I learned the other day from a couple accountants, and also remind you and your clients to make sure they talk to their accountant, is you can actually file an amendment to your 2008 return and apply the tax credit to the 2008 return if you had a tax liability and paid in, to get a quicker return on the tax credit. So instead of waiting till what it would amount to be, filing in 2010, you amend your 2008 with the tax credit giving during the 2009 purchase year and get a quicker refund check instead of really waiting into 2010. I think that's worth a lot. It's a great tip that you need to know about when you're talking to your clients. You might want to affirm that online and also with your accountant. Make sure you have the exact numbers on this, but I've already affirmed this with 2 accountants, so unless those guys are wrong, this is a great tip that you can pass on to your buyers. Also, Meridian Title Escrow is happy to announce that Susie Eibner started this Monday as an assistant to Cara. So I know Cara's been really busy. January, February, March, she basically held the fort down herself. We're talking about one single person doing 30, 40 closings a month. So we also appreciate you people out there that do, in fact, give us the benefit of the doubt that we're a one-woman show. We now have 2 women there, so I think that's going to be a big break for Cara. But we're pleased to have Susie on board. Some of you might know her back from ER Escrow days. Susie was a closer back then, and she's back on board with her now. She's a great hard worker, friendly, always got things taken care of, and was air-free. We are happy to have her back on board. We're going to take a real quick break right now and get back to talking about broker IPTV and how we're going to be on the web and how we're going to be on the TV and how they can help you. So we'll see you back in a moment.